Your Lordship has in your order sheet it has been mentioned 17/4/2026.
Just one moment. Just.
I had given an undertaking that I will pay the school fee, my lord.
Medical bills also.
No, my lord.
Yes,
I
my
clearly
lord. Yes, my
stated
lord.
that medical bills subject to scrutiny, let her file an
No,
application
my
to
lord.
that effect.
No, my lord.
No, I had stated that I gave an undertaking
No,
only
my
with
lord.
regard to school fee.
Entire
my-
bills estimated, medical bills or surgery submitted, has been undergone. Entire medical would be cleared with husband. Light of this juncture, yes.
With regard to school fee, my lord, I have purchased the uniforms, shoes, and the books.
Because school fee you've given, how much is to be paid?
We are
Yes,
ready
sir.
to
Wait.
Annex IA 1 of 26 I have filed, my lord.
Wait.
Kindly come into the annex.
ಇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು 1 minute ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
To the annexure
She should
session.
cooperate in getting this certificate filed.
My lord,
She has to give
annexure
an undertaking to the school.
T9,
She is not
T10
going to the school
and
at all.
T11 of IA 1 of 26, my lord. A copy of boarding fees, page number 12. Copy of school fees, page number 13. And copy of textbook cost, page number 14. Along with IA number 1 of 26, I have filed, my lord.
Bishop Cotton.
Yes, my lord. So they have sent me this mail. My lord, it is not the matter that they have to take the cash and pay. They could have paid it by online. So right now in my IA 1 of 26, what I am seeking is
Now,
that let them deposit in my account.
This amount is not paid.
No, my lord. None of these amounts have been paid.
I will make an.
Annexure told the child.
Now stop.
My lord, we went to school on 19/5 itself. She also accompanied. We have paid for the school uniform, shoes, and the books. Books were delivered. Uniform and shoes also delivered. We had to pay to the boarding and the school fee. They wanted an undertaking from her for the boarding because she has to say that she will submit to the rules of the boarding. She is not ready.
That she will be ready. Why?
If she goes, we are
She
ready
will be
even
ready.
today.
Yes.
She has sent 2 mails to her to accompany him. No, she doesn't go. Then I have issued a notice to her to go and submit.
The order on IA 1 of 2026.
With regard to medical bills, my lord,
Medical
let
bills,
her file an application.
medical bills, she will give you all the bills. You have
Yes,
to.
my lord. In
No,
the annexure,
no,
I
my
have
lord.
already been given, my lord.
No, my lord.
I'll detail it. Wait.
My lord, kindly
regard
look
to
at
medical
page number
If
3.
both of you are quiet, I can pass some order.
I will make submission.
My
with
lord, let
regard
me
to-
make submission, my lord. Give me 2 minutes, my lord. IA 1 of 26, 1 to 2 page number. Annexures I have filed, my lord. Page number 3, the copy of hospital bill. Around
You are
1 lakh.
studying law.
Yes, my lord, but she's not allowing me to. I am the petitioner. She not even allowing me to submit my submission. So hospital bill from the hospital financial manager has been written, my lord. It is certified that I have undergone surgery in our hospital. The total treatment has been completely paid, and there are no dues whatsoever from the patient to the hospital. So it is 74,737, and then other bills also like consultation, ultrasound, then after post surgery, the dressing, all those bills, and then I have some miscellaneous bills also, because child was with me, my lord, and food and other travel expense and all. So the total bill is coming 90,146, my lord. Page number 11.
Medical bills, huh?
Yes, my lord. So page number 11, everything has been given, my lord, because they have made an undertaking, they will pay. That's why I have undergone surgery.
No. What madam has undertaken is, if you give complete details of
Yes,
what
sir.
surgery you have
100%.
undertaken,
I have
along with the doctor's certificate, she will give.
my lord, why I am not because while at the time of undertaking also they were asking for the doctor's details. I don't want to give, my lord, because they no, my lord, in Kerala what happened is that I got a knee stick injury while coming for the settlement
No,
mediation.
all this medical treatment in Kerala, is it?
No. That is why I don't want to give my patient ID number, because medical certificate will have what surgery has been undergone and my hospital number. I want to maintain my privacy, my lord. 5 years we are staying separately. Why he should know about all my details, my lord? Anyway,
If you want money, then you have to give
no,
everything.
my lord, I estimated bill from the hospital it is given, my lord. It is the financial manager has given the certificate and the copy of consultation. Why he wants to know my private matters, what disease I have, what I am undergoing, why he wants to know. This is the treatment I have undergone. There is a surgery bill. I need to maintain my privacy, my lord. So tomorrow, when if I am undergoing some other surgery, he knows my patient ID. Tomorrow he will come and stay in my room and he will take a photo. I am very well taking. No, till now he is keeping my photo and my child's photo in his Facebook, my lord. He is acting like the what is that, the caretaking husband, good husband to the world, my lord. And otherwise, for what reason they want my patient ID, my lord? My lord, in the maintenance also, then next time they can ask, no, you give the milk delivery boy's number, then only we'll pay to them. They can ask like that also, my lord. Why they want it? This is a
Delivery
very,
boy,
no, tomorrow they will be making that submission. So whenever I gave them any details, there will be a problem will be happening, my lord. The school also,
but in the
at
first
the
year
time,
or second year? Which semester?
fourth semester, my lord.
Both semester.
Yes.
My lord, I have no.
My lord, because I have for needistic injury also I have taken treatment, and then after surgery I am coming in because my child is not going to school, my lord. Every year, second standard, third standard, and all he is paying the fees, the complete fee he is paying only in August, my lord. So June, July, child is not going to school. This is happening every year, my lord. So this time also I have given them all the details. They have not paid the bill. Let them give that fees amount to my account, my lord. I will only go and pay. Why they want to go to the school and pay? Let them give that. So the exact fees details I have been furnished here, my lord. They can see that and they can accordingly give it. He collected the books and he is keeping with the books. What is he doing with
Why
the
he
books?
is studying?
He is studying, my lord.
ಎರಡು ಸಾರಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್
Yeah, my lord, I have taken an injection order against him. I don't want him to interfere in between me and the school. The school has to communicate directly with me.
No,
None of this communication has been happening with me and the school. It is happening with him and the school, my lord. And the child admission being already been done in the school. Still, he is wants to interfere indirectly. Okay, they are not. They are just phone calling and telling me. Not in a mail also, they are not mentioning. They are telling that I should come to the school and write. I will not come and see my child once I put her in the body. Which mother will do that, my lord? And moreover, my child is very attached with me. If I don't go and see her or take her on the weekends, she will have another episode of vomiting or fever. And even though it is being said she's in the body, half of the day she'll be at home only. She'll be sick. And she has to spend like 1 week with me, then she'll be all right.
Have you finished?
That I have to ask. Right.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ.
I have sent 2 WhatsApp messages asking her to come to the school so that we can pay the school fee. The other fees are already paid and the school returned the books to me, though I had it
That's why she's telling husband wants to study the books.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ
ನಂದು I am the guardian of the child. He has does not have any visitation right also. He only gave his visitation right. Why he wants to come and interfere? Whatever with me and the school, I will deal it directly. Let him pay. Even though in the annexures, the school, the account details are there, he can just transfer and give me the details, or he can pay the money to my account. I will pay in the school. So like it is like another mental cruelty. He is coming in between the school, and then they both are joining, and there are 100 things happening between and forcing me to do, which is unethical, my lord. And who can ask your mother, you don't come and see your child?
Now,
medical bills.
I should pass orders or I'll post it next week.
No, my lord,
Then
kindly direct.
Sit down.
Yes. With regard to medical bills, my lord, you let her file an application and let her submit all the papers. I will not.
My lord, I have already filed the application. May I read it, my lord? The above named petitioner.
Sit down, madam. Yes.
IA 1 of 26 is that application only.
You want to read the application? No. Yes. The petitioner is has preferred an application in IA 1 of 2026 seeking the payment of school fee of the child from the hands of the husband, the respondent, as well as the medical bills that of the surgery that the petitioner has undergone. The petitioner appearing in person would amplify and elaborate the contents of the affidavit accompanying the application, seeking to contend that the school fee, which is part paid by the husband, has resulted in the child being at home, as the boarding has reopened on the 2nd of June 2026, but the child is still in the house for the reason that the petitioner, that the husband has not paid the fee. The learned counsel appearing for the husband submits that a signature of undertaking has to be submitted by the mother to the school, which the mother is yet to do, and therefore the complete fee is not paid. He would submit that if the letter of undertaking that the school wants from the mother is signed by the mother, the entire school fee would be directly paid to the school within within 2 days, within 2 days from the date the mother signs the said undertaking. Therefore, if the mother would want the fees of the child of the school to be paid, shall forthwith appear before the school and sign the undertaking that would be necessary for the child to remain in the hostel. The undertaking of the counsel for the respondent husband also shall be adhered to, that in 2 days the fees would be completely paid of the child, so that the child's education is not put to jeopardy. Insofar as the medical bills are concerned, a composite order was passed on 17/4/2026 by this court. The learned counsel for the respondent then submitted, today also is submitting, that if all the bills along with ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
All the details.
All the details of the surgery that the petitioner has undergone, if given to the husband, the entire medical bills would be cleared without any delay. The petitioner would now submit that the hospital ID and the doctor's certificate concerning the hospital ID would not be revealed, but all the other details would be given to the husband of all the surgery certified by the doctor themselves. If that representation comes to the hands of the husband shall clear the medical bills as
I
well.
will verify and clear, my lord, because she is
ನೀವು ಏನ್
MSc.
will clear the medical bills that are submitted with the aforesaid observations. The application stands disposed, directing both the petitioner and the counsel for petitioner and the husband to adhere to the undertaking so made, failing which would be
My
viewed
lord,
seriously.
kindly make one word, my lord, because they are
What
unlawful.
one word?
No, unlawfully things I cannot go and sign, my lord. Unlawful things they are forcing.
School
me.
is asking, not
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. School also cannot unlawful things. Nobody can ask me to do, my lord.
anything will be only in accordance with law. All
Yes,
right.
my lord. Kindly make a word of that. And
Ask
let
you
the-
to sign something else,
let
madam.
them give in writing, my lord. They have not given anything to me in
You
writing.
first go to this, you want the child's school fee to be paid?
I have went the school with the child. I met the principal. There are 100 concerned. We discussed it. They don't want to
So,
they don't want to change
I
anything.
have passed the order. Now don't drag me into the loop of you, the child and the school. All right?
My lord, another matter I want to get connected with this main petition,
Go
my
file
lord.
one more petition now.
There are actually 2-3 are pending,
We'll
my lord.
constitute a bench.
My lord,
Yes.
serial number 23, my lord.
ಅದು ಇದೆಯಾ madam? ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ದಿನ ಹಾಕಿ.
Serial number 23 and 30, my lord. It is also kind of connecting with the, kindly connect with the main petition, my
All
lord.
right. Which is the main petition?
Just now.
Just now? This one?
Serial number 17, my
Madam,
lord.
23, 30. When do you want?
Next date, my lord.
First you finish off the school and
22/6, my lord. 22/6.
22/6.
This month, 22nd. In case if they don't pay and if the school also is kind of making drama with me, there are 100 things happening with the
School
school.
is not here to decipher the drama.
Yes, no, I'm not telling, but then the way they are behaving with me, my lord, and with my child, and they are kind of beating and yes, physical abuse is also happening to my child, because she's opening up and telling me certain things which is happening, and the warden's relative child is also there in the, so she kind of made friendship with my daughter, and there are certain issues
Alright.
happening.
You put it on
Tw-
23rd June.
23rd June. Okay. My lord, for hand delivery, my lord, serial number 23 and 30 also.
Maintainability, it is posted for maintainability, whether it is maintainable or not, first it has to be.
14 persons, everything is maintainable. Yes.
Humble submission, my lord, 23 and 30.
Enough. That's it. Yes.
My lord, one more serial number.
How many petitions are, madam, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ದಿನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, I mean, the different parties, I told my lord, last time notice has been issued.
You are appearing for others also.
No, my lord, my opposite party, like, he is also my relative. My parents are also my relatives. So, like, that is why they are torturing me, my lord. My lord, serial number 32, it has been ordered for notice, my lord. It is not that, so returned. So 23/6, that also, my lord. And my lord, serial number 18, my lord. That is order have been already passed, my lord. Only thing in the order, the speedy disposal of IA number 1, 2, and 3 has not mentioned, my lord.
prayer.
In the prayer, just to modify the prayer. Otherwise, they will, lower court will not pass an order on my IAS, my lord. That is why. Only to modify the order. That is serial number 18, my lord. And the serial number 21, that is sort of criminal petition only for speedy disposal. I have asked, my lord, including the pending IA. Time limit can be given, my lord, like 3 months. Because what happened is that that is a maintenance petition basically. I only sought for amendment of the IA and the pending money, because the Kerala court also, whatever is order, around 4 lakhs money is been pending, my lord, to give that modification of IA, my lord. Because my advocate
23/6
colluded,
I
my
have
lord.
posted everything, madam.
But hand delivery, my lord, by the time
Hand
they will
delivery?
also, for this
Ida? Yes, hand
serial
delivery.
number 23
All
and
right, hand
30,
delivery.
my lord,
Hand
hand
delivery.
delivery.
Hand delivery.
And the speedy disposal.
23/30 I have not passed any order. What hand delivery? I only adjourned it 23/6.
My lord, kindly, my lord, by the time they will also be ready. Otherwise, we will be out of our shelter also, my lord. The maintenance dues are there. After sending us from the Bangalore house, my lord, he took care. He was staying in my house, my
Madam,
lord. And
could
he
you,
did
madam,
not
also
pay any
23/30
maintenance
could you-
dues, my lord. And that apartment association for 1 lakh maintenance, they have added like around 2 lakhs. I don't know in which way they have added, my lord. And these entire people are trying to send us to the street, my lord.
Now, 18 is also yours?
Yes, my lord. 18 only I asked for modification of the order to include the IAs, IA number 1, 2, and 3, my lord.
Allowed. For the reasons indicated so and so. Petitioner to amend the prayers. Next, madam.
Serial number 21, my lord, only speedy disposal, including the pending IAs within 3 months time period, my lord.
Put, madam, 3 months time.
My lord, is serial number 23 and 30 to give hand delivery, my lord.
And
Because fresh matters that too.
hand summons.
Hand summons, my
All
lord.
right, all right.
23 and 30.
Petitioner to serve the respondent by way of hand summons.
And